Web development is bullshit. You know, these days when you're on YouTube, you see a lot of ads of different companies trying to get you to buy into their training course or their boot camp. Well, there's a reason for that. Seems like software development is the new Amazon FBA or whatever. It's the new hustle. Getting you to get in on something that's oversaturated and where the opportunities are limited. Myself, I was one of the many people who spent time during COVID learning web development. I spent approximately a year and 3 months or 4 months dedicated every single day learning web development, reading through documentation, going through a whole entire roadmap. And now I have nothing, no employment to do with my studies. I've applied for over 300 jobs, all of them rejected. I've only had one callback, and that callback was an application that I had lied on and said I knew Angular. Yeah. But anyway, it was a complete waste of time. I had thought, okay, maybe I should do the same thing. If this isn't paying me, maybe let me go grift and do the same type of content and hustle other idiots out of their money. But the morals in me told me, hey, there's no point in doing that. I'm actually better off doing a legit business than trying to hustle people and something I don't even believe myself. So I have integrity is what I'm trying to say. But these people don't. I tried to do front-end development specifically. I did the whole Odin course, and I went on roadmap.sh, followed the roadmap for the front-end development roadmap. I did even some back-end. I did it all, honestly. And none of those skills are paying me right now. The only thing that's paying me is my actual repair business. That's it. Yeah, and this is a dying field, to be honest, especially now with all this AI stuff. It's a lot of developers are going to tell you, oh no, we're not going to be replaced. That's all cope. Let's be real. You would think most industries that ever get disrupted, the people that were in it always tell you the opposite prior to them being completely enabled useless. So you probably don't want to listen to people that are biased. And that's sort of like an old person trying to convince them that their life was a failure. You know, he's not gonna want to think like that. Otherwise, it puts him at a very peculiar situation, or a weird, you know, zone. So yeah. So anyway, these people are scammers. They're bullshitters. Don't listen to them. I spent a year, wasted it. It's not paying me. Just just instead of listening to what people say, watch what they do. So if you see these people are grifting, you grift. You're better off trying to do that. At least just go grift. I know I couldn't do it, but maybe some people can. Yeah, that's all I gotta say.